Offered for sale is a 1934 Chevrolet Master Series DA coach, a two-door sedan originally sold new in Sweden. This car has a unique provenance and was carefully restored over 4 decades, with the work beginning in 1978 and completed in 2019. The exterior is finished in a red body with black fiberglass fenders. The body is all steel, and both body and frame are solid. Professionally repainted in 2017, the car presents in very good condition with only minor imperfections. Chrome shines beautifully, the body is rust-free, and the rubber seals and glass are well preserved. The interior has been rebuilt over the original seats and trim using modern materials, keeping the authentic look but with a fresh finish. The wood grain dashboard was carefully redone during restoration. The electrical system has been refurbished. All gauges are in place and working, and all lights function, including the turn signals, which operate but would benefit from some additional attention. Under the hood sits Chevrolet's inline-six Stovebolt engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The drivetrain runs smoothly with no smoke or unusual noises. The undercarriage has been refurbished. The suspension and brakes are in proper order. And while there is some play in the steering, the car tracks straight on the road. It rides on original-style Bias-ply tires, in good condition. Included with the sale is extensive documentation, including invoices, receipts, and a detailed breakdown of restoration work. The car was also featured in Classic Motor Magazine, issue 4 of 2020, confirming its rarity and quality. It has passed Swedish inspection in the past, is now exempt as a vintage vehicle, and will be sold with full Swedish registration papers. This is a well-documented and carefully restored 1934 Chevrolet Master Series DA coach, driven sparingly in recent years. Offered globally, with secure worldwide shipping and flexible payment in US dollars, directly to a US bank, or within Europe in euros. Contact us today to learn more.